Hello guys, 15 reasons to become a CAP were introduced by my colleague Sonia. I believe you may interest on how to become a CAP with us. So, I would like to introduce very simple 4 steps to become a CAP. Step 1. Making an application. Go to Akuvox official website. Make an application by filling out information form. After submission, in next business working day, Akuvox team will contact you and start evaluating your application. Step 2. Cooperation discussion. Once we have done the evaluation, there will be a draft agreement between us. We can start with the open cooperation discussion. Step 3. Buying training kit plus e-learning system. If you're new to Akuvox, we will recommend you buying a training kit. For more information of training kit, you can subscribe Akuvox YouTube channel and check out training kit video. We also have Akuvox e-learning system for all product and solutions. You can visit Akuvox website for all the lessons after registrations. After passing the training program, you will be qualified with Akuvox Engineer Certification. Step 4. CAP Award. After sign agreement, you will be awarded with Akuvox CAP certification. Since you are CAP now, Akuvox will provide daily working support in terms of technical, sales, and marketing. You are free to call or email your question to us whenever you need, and we will work very closely together in the future project. In order to get incentives, we will start with a quarterly and yearly review based on agreement. Okay, above are the steps to become a CAP. That's not too hard to become a CAP partner, right? Take action now and apply from Akuvox website today. We are here waiting for you. Follow us on YouTube channel. We will update for CAP membership level in next video. Thank you. Bye now.